Good morning. This is a Hot Topic mystery bag. We went to Hot Topic last weekend and we got a couple, they had a deal where buy two Funkos, get one free. And so when we were checking out, they had a whole bunch of grab bags on the counter, mystery bags, and I'm like, and they're, try to upsell, and I'm like, I'm not really into mystery bags, but he knew that the checkout guy knew I had bought a bunch of Nightmare Before Christmas. And he's like, well, I made this really cool Nightmare Before Christmas mystery bag. And I'm like, all right, you got me. So it was $75 for this mystery bag, and it's supposed to be double the value, so it's like $150. So I thought I'd give it a try because there was a couple Nightmare Before Christmas stuff that I was waffling on, and he said I would really like it. So I don't know. He was a salesperson, so you never know what to believe. So let's open it and see what we got. All right, so the big stuff for sure. Oh my god, it's pretty secure in here. Alright, push that out of the way. And so the first item, and they really staple these bags together. Oh, look at that. It's plush. This is, what is this? Barrel? This is Shock. Barrel, I don't know. I never get their names wrong. And then, I think this is Lock. Well, anyway, one of the, either Lock, Shock, or Barrel. And then, I've been looking at this one. And this is the Jack Skellington Pumpkin Head. They're kind of like bean bags. There's bean bags down here. I don't have any of these, so that is really cool. And then, oh my god, I was definitely thinking about this. This is like a little jewelry tray. I actually have a huge one that I got at the Disney store that is more meant for like chips and dips, but I actually have it in my bedroom and I'm using that as a jewelry tray. So it's cool to have this little one. So far so good. Oh wow, there's only one more thing. This must be the most expensive thing because he said altogether it was $150. So let's see. Oh, this is really heavy. Let me cover that mark on the table. Okay. Oh, I know what this is. I was thinking about this too. I just didn't know where I was going to put it. Now I have to figure out where I'm going to put it. So this is a countdown table clock. Oh my god, I've actually looked at this the last 3 times we went. And so if you're not familiar with countdown table clocks, there's little blocks right here. And so they're good for every year because you put the dates yourself. You know how like when you buy calendars, they're year specific? This is good forever. And it's countdown to Halloween and Christmas. So, oh my god, that makes me happy. So 4 countdown clocks, 1 reversible holiday block, 1 real clock. So it is actually a real clock too. Yeah, this was normally $54.90. So I won 5 items, but you know what? I think it was well worth it because I like every single item. The only thing is I wish I could have had all 3 of these, like the girl with the girl, that would be nice too, but I got 2 out of 3. So not bad. And yeah, I think that was a mystery bag that was well worth it.